How to add cash transactions manually in Mint. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Sign into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your Mint dashboard where you can see an overview of your finances. Next, at the top of the screen, click on the Transactions tab. This will take you to a list of all your recorded transactions. Now, look for the Add Transaction button, usually found on the top right corner of the transactions page, and click on it. After that, you will see a form where you can manually enter your cash transactions. Start by selecting the appropriate date of the transaction, then enter a description such as grocery or cash launch. Under category, choose the one that fits your spending. This helps Mint organize your budget better. Make sure to select the cash account if you have already added one. If not, you may need to create a cash account in the Accounts section first, then return here. Now, enter the amount you spent and select whether it was an expense or income. Once everything looks correct, click Save to add a transaction. It will now appear in your transaction list and reflect in your budget accordingly. And that's it. Now you know how to add cash transactions manually in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.